Welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, I am in St. Elizabeth, one place I'm calling Middle Quarters. I know many people travel to St. Elizabeth and never know in Middle Quarters you have the longest corner in Jamaica is in St. Elizabeth in Middle Quarters. So take a tour with your tour guide Fire Reid and big up on yourself and own our tram yard and abroad and big up on yourself. So yes, my people, so we are going to tour the longest corner in a St. Elizabeth in Jamaica, Middle Quarters area. Yeah man, many people don't never know say a St. Elizabeth are the longest corner in a Jamaica. Yeah man, so we are tour the place there and show you what go on. Yeah man, so we're up on the longest corner right now in a Jamaica, St. Elizabeth, Middle Quarters. And we know Middle Quarters, here so them call they can get your peppery shrimp. So when you want the peppery shrimp, you come to Middle Quarters and also explore the longest corner in Jamaica in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, tell me what go on with people if you don't know about this. Yeah man, leave it in the comment section. For you to get the right feel of the corner, you would have to come from the other direction. So you see, you are now entering Middle Quarters. Yeah man, so we're up on the corner from a good while. Yeah man, see mommy are selling peppery shrimp there. So yeah, we done the longest corner in a Jamaica. Just a sneak peek in a Middle Quarters, you know. Not a really long video today, very short one. Just to keep the people them up to date what go on in a Jamaica, in a paradise, you know. You see a lot of shrimp vendors out here. Yeah man, a lot of cooking spots in this area. We talk about cook shop, different type of food. Check out the Middle Quarters area, you know. Tour the longest corner in Jamaica. Yeah man, and remember to like up the video free of cost. Yeah man, if you learned something about Jamaica, remember if you like to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what go on. You know say just so the thing set. Yeah man, also on your right you have a large cook spot over there, wood fire, you know. The wood fire galanyin in Jamaica, you know, the food can taste different when you cook on wood fire. When you fry the chicken, cook your rice, it's like you can taste, you feel, you have a different taste to it. Yeah man, so when you want the wood fire cooking, come on Middle Quarters man. Jamaica good, known for outside cooking, outdoor cooking on the wood fire, you know. So you have a fruit shop on your left, so you need to check out them fruits here, melon, mango. the sewer go on with paper. Yeah man, the sewer go on. So I try my best. I try my best to see if I can go to the other side view. Going back up on the longest corner in Jamaica. Yeah man, so we are the roundabout. The roundabout could take you all to Black River, Savlamar, Montego Bay, Negril, Newmarket, them place there. So I'm going to go around the roundabout and take you back to, so you can get another view at the other side of middle quarters, you know, around the longest corner in Jamaica. No. You know, so if I want to pull up a car in them area, you know, people are coming on to you, they want to feel like, you know, you're going to buy a shrimp. So, once your car stop in certain location right here, you know, say you're going to have a lot of shrimp vendor come down to buy the nice pepper shrimp. Alright? So, expect that when they stop in this area. So, don't feel no way, so they must swarm down pound. So, that's how we Jamaicans stay, hustle them and hustle them money, hustle them daily bread so them picnic can go school. If you don't understand what I say, them not thief, them just earn them honest bread. So big up on yourself, all of the vendor them, all of the hustler them at the place. So big up on yourself. So when I get the other side view, which I will take you back onto the route, the longest corner in our beautiful island, Jamaica, St. Elizabeth, middle quarters. Yeah man, so when I start approach the corner, you know, as soon as we start approach the corner, I'm going to make you know what I go on. Yeah man, we just pass the cook shop again on your left. Man, you have to watch out for that cane truck here, and you see that cane truck here, you have to look out, get way full of cane. Yeah man, so you have to know when to stop on the road, you can't just shoot up on them, so you have to get the big unit them way. You have to know the road code in Jamaica too, you know. If you don't know the road code in Jamaica, you get a beating. Not about all about the book code, but the race, cheat, smart code. You have to know them code too in Jamaica, man. Yes, so the longest corner would start from right here, my people. From right here, the longest corner would start. So explore it from the other direction. I know many people take a visit to the Wyeth Falls. Yeah man, they take a visit to Wyeth Falls. Never know that they were right next to the longest corner in St. Elizabeth, middle quarters, Jamaica. So I'm on the longest corner right now. If you want to prove it for yourself, you can Google it and see where the longest corner in Jamaica at. So now build up no story. Yeah man, I go off with it in a black and white. New Holland. Yeah man, so we're in New Holland here now. So you see the left turn right here. This left turn will take you back to YS Falls, Springfield, Claremont, them place there. So thank you all my beautiful people for supporting the channel, and thank you all for taking the journey with me on the longest corner in our beautiful island Jamaica. So peace and out my people, one love and one heart. Yeah man, so no, enjoy the rest of the day.